In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play a game with someone on Snapchat. So this is actually a new update on Snapchat, which allows you to play a game with someone on Snapchat. So in order for you to actually get that done, this is what you need to do. Go to your Snapchat app like this. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see the chat option. So when you click on the chat option like this, you're going to see a list of your friends. So you just need to go to anybody's DM like this, the person you want to play the game with. So right here at the bottom here, you can see the plus button and the gallery icon here. You need to go ahead and click on the plus button and you're going to see the option of play games. So looking right here, you're going to see a lot of games option. So you just need to go ahead and select the type of game you want to play like this. So when you do that, you are going to be able to play the game, as you can see here. So this is how simple it is to play game with someone on Snapchat. Hope you find this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.